how to rotate your screen on your MacBook. So it's pretty simple. All you're gonna have to do is to press the Apple logo in the left upper corner area in your top menu bar, and now press and hold Option key on your keyboard. So press and hold Option key and open System Settings and keep holding it until it's opened. Now you can release the Option key. Now you want to go to Displays, and there should be Rotation option. If you don't have it here, we need to completely close System Settings, so press Command and Q, and now press and hold again Option key from the start, press Apple logo, System Settings, go to your Displays, and the Rotation option is here. And if you want to rotate your screen, click on Standard and you can flip it, for example upside down or 90 degrees. So I'm gonna do it right now. So now I don't know if you can see it, but my computer is upside down. If you want to confirm it, you have to do it here. If not, you have to click this revert. You can also do the 90 degrees. And if I flip my MacBook, this side is correct. It's pretty interesting. So that's how you can rotate your screen. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.